The UP police has intensified its probe into the Hathras stampede tragedy as Dev Prakash Madhukar, the key accused in the tragic stampede at this religious congregation, has been arrested. He's now been sent to 14-day judicial custody and the police is expected to apply for police remand as well. The UP police had earlier nabbed 6 people in connection with the incident, all being members of the same organizing committee. Along with Dev Prakash Madhukar, 2 others who have been also held in connection with the incident, taking the total number of arrests in the case to 9. Now, the police told Times Now that Madhukar was the main organizer and was also responsible for the security and crowd control at the satsang and was also tasked for collecting funds. Police are also looking into possible political linkages, saying that Madhukar had told them that few political parties were funding them.
So yesterday late evening he was arrested from Delhi. There's an area called Najafgarh. So he was arrested by the district Hathras SOG team and he was arrested by proper police action yesterday evening.
He did not surrender?
No, he did not.
Where was he trying to flee, sir?
We'll have to look, we'll have to scrutinize the CDRs and then we'll be able to comment on it.
So what is the larger conspiracy and the political angle as well?
I mean, he was the main ayojak over there. He was the one who took the permission, so he was accountable for getting all the safety measures and all the crowd control management techniques, so he should have followed. And secondly, there are some political linkages which he is claiming that there are few political parties who might be funding them, but we'll be able to comment on it after looking at the money trail.
Now, in the meantime, Times Now has also learned, being the only channel to confront Dev Prakash Madhukar after the arrest. We asked him pointed questions related to the incident, but he evaded all of the questions that we were asking him. This is Tetri with the entire sequence.
There you see Dev Prakash Madhukar brought here for medical. Let us ask him question. Dev Prasad Madhukar, you were there. आप आयोजक थे, आप मुख्य आयोजक थे उसके. क्या हुआ था उस वक्त? आप 121 लोगों की जान गई है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे उस पे? बाबा को आपने बाबा को कॉल किया था. कितने कॉल किए गए थे आपके द्वारा बाबा को? लगभग 20 कॉल किए गए थे, ऐसा बताया जा रहा है. क्या पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर भी बनाया गया था? मधुकर, बताइए क्या हुआ था?
मधुकर जी कुछ तो बोलिए.
आप भागने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. मधुकर, आप भागने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, आप फरार होने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. दिल्ली से कहाँ जाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे आप? कितनी देर तक आपने बोला कि आपने सरेंडर किया है, लेकिन पुलिस कह रही है कि आपको अरेस्ट किया गया. आपको अरेस्ट किया गया ऐसा बोल रहे हैं. मधुकर, आपको अरेस्ट किया गया. आपने कहा कि आपको जो है वो सरेंडर किया आपने. Madhukar is covering his face. Let us keep on asking him the questions. So let us keep on asking him the questions because Times Now is the only channel who is confronting him. And there you see Dev Prasad Madhukar, the main accused in this entire case, whose name is there in the FIR. आपका नाम FIR में है मधुकर? मधुकर, आपका नाम FIR में है. क्या हुआ था उस दिन? कितने लोगों की परमिशन ली थी आपने? 80,000 लोगों की परमिशन ली थी, लेकिन 2.5 लाख लोग आए थे. मधुकर, 2.5 लाख लोग आए थे, 80,000 की परमिशन थी. क्या बोलना चाहेंगे आप? बाबा से आपकी क्या बात हुई? भोले बाबा से क्या बात हुई?
आपको गिल्टी मानते हैं कि इतने सैकड़ों लोगों की
भोले बाबा का आपको फोन आया था? बाबा कह रहे हैं, बाबा खुद ये कह रहे हैं कि आरोपियों को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा.
बाबा ने बोला साजिश थी, साजिश के तहत ये हुआ. कुछ लोग थे उपद्रव कराने के लिए वहाँ.
बाबा का कहना है कि ये एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट्स के काम है. आपका क्या कहना है?
मानना है आपका कि बाहर से कुछ लोग आए थे जिन्होंने भगदड़ मचाई?
So you see there Dev Prasad Madhukar, Times Now only channel, confronting him. Police has brought over here for medical. Let us ask him the question, and we will keep on asking him the question so as to because the life of it is a matter of lives of 122 people. Madhukar, what would you like to say? Madhukar, क्या हुआ था? So there you see Madhukar, So there you see Dev Prasad Madhukar here.
क्या कहेंगे? 123 जिंदगियां.
मधुकर, क्या हुआ था?
आप इधर से
क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप? आपको बाबा का फोन आया था? कितनी बार फोन आया था बाबा का?
बाबा ने आश्रम से कॉल किया.
अभी आप फरार क्यों हुए और आप फरार किस तरफ थे?
फोन से बात हुई थी क्या आपकी?
फरार किस तरफ थे आप? So there you see Dev Prasad Madhukar, and also we will show the documents also. We will try to capture the documents. Madhukar.
1 minute.
अरे दिलीप जी आइए बाहर. So there you see Madhukar.
परमिशन थी 2.5 लाख कैसे है?
मधुकर, कितने लोगों की परमिशन थी? आप लोग आपने मधुकर क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप? कितने लोगों की परमिशन ली गई थी? मधुकर 2.5 लाख लोग कैसे आए? So there you see Dev Prasad Madhukar arrested by the police. He has been taken by the cops and he is not responding to the question that we are asking him. Madhukar, why are you? Police is arresting him and he has been taken for the medical. You see, police is taking him for the medical over here. Delhi UP police. दिलीप जी क्विक सुदेव जी मधुकर कितनी बार कॉल आया था? क्या षड्यंत्र था? कितने लोग इसमें शामिल है आपके अलावा? किसका कॉल आया था? क्या षड्यंत्र है इसमें? बताइए मधुकर क्या कहना चाहिए? कितने लोग शामिल है इसमें? सुदेव जी Times Now only channel confronting Madhukar, asking him the questions as to what had happened then, what was the conspiracy. Now he will be taken to the court.
Well, that was the confrontation that you see was caught on our cameras. However, when it comes to the judicial probe panel, that is also planning to question Prakash Madhukar, where he will be interrogated as to why he was on the run and who helped him in doing so. Sources say the committee will also be looking into the calls that he made to different people after the incident. Earlier in the day, the Judicial Committee also reached the police lines in Hathras, where senior police officials submitted their inquiry report into the matter.
जो फाइंडिंग्स वो तो 2 महीने बाद आएंगी, लेकिन किन किन लोगों को आप आमंत्रित करेंगे? क्या उन
किन लोगों से बात करेंगे आप?
जिस अधिकारी ने परमिशन
जरूरत समझेंगे, छोटे से
बाबा से भी सवाल जवाब हो सकता है क्या?
जिससे भी जरूरत समझेंगे सबसे पूछिए।
बाबा को भी बुलाया जा सकता है?
नहीं मालूम अभी क्या एविडेंस हमारे पास आ रहा है। जी जिससे भी जरूरत आप लोगों से जरूरत होगी तो उससे भी मदद करेंगे।
In the meantime, we also get you an update as far as the Judicial Commission is concerned that reached Hathras and will be recording the statements of other officials, the policemen and other people who were related to the incident on the 2nd of July. As far as the Judicial Commission will also be collecting all of the documents related to the Hathras incident from the police and the district administration. We have Tetri with us right now. Tetri, as far as the judicial probe panel is concerned, it has now come to Hathras. What exactly would be their investigation starting from here on?
Yes, Amita, the Judicial Inquiry team had reached Hathras yesterday, and in fact, they conducted a high-level meeting with all the senior officials like GM, SGM, ADG. All of them were present over here at the police line in Hathras. But the Judicial Inquiry team also visited the spot where this entire stampede happened. They were there on the spot for more than 30 to 40 minutes, and then they also visited to the hospital as well. But yes, as of now, what we are learning is that today also judicial panel is set to collect more documents, more statements will be taken, and in fact let me tell you that till now the statements of 132 individuals have been taken by the SIT and the police as well, and all those documents, the statements that have been taken, the statements of 132 individuals, all of those will also be submitted to the Judicial Inquiry team, because the team has to submit their comprehensive report within the period of 2 months. So that is why now they are also in full action mode to collect the evidence, to visit the spot, to speak to the witnesses, to also speak to the accused who have been arrested in this entire case. As of now, total 9 arrests have been made, including Madhukar. 6 were arrested 2 days back, and yesterday, along with Madhukar, 2 others were also arrested. So now radar is also on the organizers of the event, the Sevadars. Apart from the chief Sevadar, the other Sevadars also, they will also be under scanners, and also the accounts of these Sevadars will also be probed by the team and by the police as well.